This Mexican dish is not only delicious and fun to make, it's also a fresh, healthy snack you'll want to come back to again and again. Avocado is the main ingredient. Make sure they are ripe and soft, avoid brown fibers and spots. Cut them in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh. If you're planning to use the skins as natural serving cups, take your time and be gentle, you'll want them intact. Set the skins aside and mash the avocados, leaving some chunks for the texture. And let's move on to the rest of the ingredients. You'll need a medium tomato. I'm using a couple of small ones instead. It's best to remove the seeds as they can make your guacamole watery. Then just chop them to your desired size depending on how chunky you like it. Next is the jalapeño pepper, bringing that classic chili sharpness. To reduce the intensity, remove the seeds and the white ribs. That's where the most of the heat lives. Then chop it into small pieces so that the heat spreads evenly. I used a quarter of this one. Cilantro is another classic ingredient that adds bright, fresh notes. If you're not a fan, parsley works great too. Then finally chop a small onion. Mince 1 or 2 garlic cloves for savory flavor. And finally, we'll need some lime juice. Add the ingredients to a container and combine well. Salt to your taste. I used a quarter teaspoon. Give it a final mix and your chunky guacamole is ready. For a smoother texture, set aside half of the mashed avocado and chopped tomatoes. In a food processor, combine the remaining ingredients to avoid any surprise chunks of jalapeno, onion, or garlic, mellowing out the flavors. Blend until you reach your desired consistency, scraping down the sides as needed. Then mix everything together for an even spread of flavors. It's my favorite way to do it. Whichever method you go with, divide the guacamole into your desired serving sizes. I usually make 6 to fill the avocado skins evenly. Light it up with some tortilla chips and enjoy.